Introduced in 2017, the fiber artist supply company Maple Jumbo Yarn Ball Winder has become a trusted tool for yarn shops and serious fiber artists across the country. Thousands have been sold, and in this video, we'll walk you through the unboxing, setup, and operation, along with a few tips to help you get great results every time. When you open your box, you'll find a smaller box containing accessories, a bag of biodegradable packing peanuts, and of course, your new yarn ball winder. Start by rolling the friction belt onto the winding dowel base. Inside your accessory pack, you'll find one yarn guide post assembly, one table clamp assembly, one thumb screw, one main drive belt, and one 1/8 inch hex wrench. Swivel the yarn guide base into one of the three positions. Here's a tip. The yarn guide base doesn't need to point directly at your Swift. Setting it at a right angle often helps keep the yarn more stable. Secure the yarn guide post assembly with the thumb screw as shown in the video. Here's a tip. Start with the yarn guide post all the way in, as close to where the ball is being created, with the coil facing the ball itself. Install the main drive belt. If you'll be using the table clamp, attach it now and secure your winder to your table. Thread your yarn through the yarn guide and you're ready to wind. To start, wind slowly with moderate tension to build a solid base. Once the foundation is secure, you can increase speed for efficient winding. For a full demonstration of the winder in action, check out Volume 2. Your jumbo winder is designed for easy maintenance. The main winder assembly can be removed for cleaning or adjusting the friction between the friction belt and the shaft cone. Loosen the bottom 3/8 of an inch shaft collar. To reassemble the ball winder, press down gently until the friction belt makes light contact with the shaft cone. Flip the winder over, letting gravity seat the lower shaft collar against the bearing and tighten it as well. And that's it. With a few simple steps, your fiber artist supply company Jumbo Maple Yarn Ball Winder is ready to help you create neat center pull cakes every time. Thanks for watching.